red list, which I believe is going on right now. We won't know for sure if... And so, previously, the only known other breeding population for Indo-Chinese tigers was in western Thailand. And so, now that these now that these tigers are breeding in this landscape, it provides a little bit of hope that potentially we no longer have all of our eggs in one basket, that we have another population that can potentially recover and increase the population for the subspecies. And some of the recent evidence of tigers being wiped out. Over the past year, we've documented 6 cubs from 4 females. So it's not just one instance of breeding, we've seen breeding on several occasions. And that really can only happen if tigers have a sufficient amount of prey and if they have sufficient protection. So that's a bit of an indicator for us that the protection efforts that the DMP have been making and the protection efforts that we've been supporting with the DMP are potentially paying off.